So, give me your highlight for today. What was your highlight of the day?
There were a lot of things that were highlighted today. Looking at understanding that as an entrepreneur, the amount of flexibility that I have, but also understanding that I need to understand my customer. The reason why I'm going into business, doing the research for what I'm going to be doing is also very important. And looking at what is my next and being willing to put in the time to get it done becomes very important.
That is very important. So, if you had your top two things that you would start immediately that you got from today, what would they be?
It would be for me to determine my niche and my customer.
Nice, nice. Those are very key points. So next year, for the second iteration of this, what would you say to get somebody in? It doesn't have to be necessarily in your business, but if just another business owner, what would you tell them to?
I would show them all the notes that I took from being here, but I would also let them know what I gleaned and also show them what I've done with the information that I received, because that's important. It's one thing to come to an event, take notes, but it doesn't mean anything if you don't put it into action. So I would show what I've been able to put into action and talk about the great people that I met and the relationships that were formed from that.
That's awesome. Great stuff. Thank you.
You're welcome.